Tandoori Masala Shrimp in your air fryer. Look at these shrimp. These are large, raw, wild caught. You just have to make sure they're not frozen here. Rinsed. We are giving them the tandoori flavor and it's gonna be ready in just 10 to 15 minutes. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. If you have the powder, just use that. I like to use my dry ingredients raw all the way from the scratch, 2 to 3 or 4 cardamoms, 2 to 3 or 4 cloves. They go all in here. Tablespoon, this is a tablespoon, 1 whole tablespoon of cumin, coriander, it goes in here. We need the flavors, right? We have to get the flavors right. Once you blend all these beautiful dry ingredients, in your splice blender, just add all of them right here. 1 whole tablespoon of smokey paprika. This is not the chili, okay? This is smokey paprika. This is the garlic powder, regular garlic powder. This is the crushed black pepper. Tablespoon of salt. Minced onion. It's going to give the crunchy and the yummy flavor. You have to make sure it's not completely dry, This is what we have to make sure. So 1 and 2, or you can say 2.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Delicious food color. It's for the temptation, Half tablespoon right here. Use glove, clean glove. Marinate everything. Make sure all the seasoning gets in here, all the color gets in here, all the salts, all the dry ingredients, my friend, they all should get in here. And look at this. Once you marinate all of this, you can throw straight in your air fryer. As a chef, I want to present things nicely, We have bamboo skewers for these guys. You'll take bamboo skewers. As soon as you marinate, put this on the skewers. As many as you want, Ingredients, I'll put in the description box. It will be easy for all of us to follow. Just do that. For now, the shrimps are on the skewers. Look at this. How beautiful is this, Very easy, simple recipe. Just mix up some ingredients and you get the best flavor ever possible. Look at this. Let's turn on our air fryer. I'm setting it at the grill. It's 500 degrees. The 10-minute time frame, or do it 12 minutes. It's on a preheat. Let's make some more skewers. Look at all this masala we made right now. This is staying on top of our shrimp, This is what it matters. This is all the flavors right here. Actually, this is the last one, Tandoori Masala Shrimp marinade is ready in under 5 minutes. I have showed you the whole recipe. Our air fry is ready at 500 degrees. Look at these beautiful skewers, Oh my God, they are fully loaded with the flavors. Air fryer, air grill is ready. Let's land them right here. This is what we are talking about, Just 5 minutes, then we will flip these guys. So here you go. In 5 minutes at 500 degrees in our air fryer. Look at this. They are almost done, my friend. If you want to eat shrimp with a little bit raw texture, this is the perfect time to eat. I made some white rice, some salad, and some delicious shrimp. We will make a homemade sauce which we will drizzle on top. For the sauce, we will take 1 whole tablespoon of the mayo, regular tomato ketchup. We will take 1 whole tablespoon peri peri sauce. We will take 1 whole tablespoon of this. This is the sauce which we will put on top, of our beautiful shrimp platter or shrimp dish. It's been 12 minutes. I made some white basmati rice. It has some cumin, some salt, some garden salad. We made this sauce, and it's been almost 10 to 12 minutes. Look at these cures. Wonderfully, completely done. Delicious form of the seafood right here. Here you go. We will take this, we'll land beautiful skewers of our shrimp, tandoori shrimp, right here. Right here. All these seafood makes you full very quickly. High protein meal right here. Delicious sauces for the air fryer.